Hi guys, welcome back to my favorite segment where I read some of your very interesting comments. Njengoba ke nibonile ukuthi abe hectic kanjani lama episode othando nesithembe besiqeda kwabuka, abantu ke abakwazanga ukuzibamba asibheke ukuthi bebethini. Uthobile uyahleka uthi shuthi I'm toxic ngempela ngoba ngiyamthanda uMayeni mina. And then uwise lady uthi waze wabhulishwa uMaKay ngentombi endala. You and then wathi uMayeni is such a bully nkosi yami, and it's not even funny anymore. For a person who once was in a toxic workplace being bullied, she goes and does the same to the others. U-Anita yena uthi as much as the other wives have disagreements here and there, they still respect each other. Umayeni is actually exposing herself and how bitter, evil she is. She claimed that she was bullied at work. It's clear that they were giving her a taste of her own medicine and she couldn't handle it, cause even on the show she talks badly about the other wives and disrespects Umthombeni when they give her the same energy. She cries and plays victim. Umayeni udinga ukukhula and should stop acting like a spoiled brat. At this age she should know the world does not revolve around her. uDinsolo uthi uMayeni doesn't have respect at all. That's why uMpumelelo does not respect her. And then uYolisa uthi uMayeni bullies uMakhumalo. She is really looking for a reaction or to constantly get to her. And then uLindo Kuhle uthi noma ningathini ngoMontuza, she's that girl, please. U-Oda yena uthi uMayeni is bleeding on the wrong people. Yo, and then uSithembile uthi this season was supposed to be called Mayeni and the Sister Wives. uSiphokazi yena uthi my ship uthi kumamkhulu. uThandeka uthi oh MaKay deserves better than this nkosi yami. And then uZemkhitha uthi was he supposed to tell her? Ebengabaxelelanga bona. Mayeni has a problem with uThobile and it's now annoying. And then uYvonne uthi how I love uMayeni bakithi. uFezi uthi the people who keep defending Mayeni are no different from those teachers that don't discipline bullies. The teachers that can watch a school kid being humiliated and just keep quiet but rather discipline the bullied kid for standing up for themselves. Angikhathali noma ningathini, iscript sinjanjani, uMayeni is a bully period. And then Umgcini uthi I love uMayeni. It looks like this season we are going to be defending her a lot. uThuto uthi I'm honestly starting to see why uMpumelelo is like this. uMandozwi uthi hayi cha, ngathi usedinga i-counseling yangempela ke uMayeni, uyagula strong udululu ngeke. And then uPhumi uthi yo uMayeni is an interrogator, shame, ngiyamvuma. Usahlaleleni ngempela lo sis kuLomendo cause one can see she's no more happy being there. uShodai uthi uMakhumalo had initially said akahlangani no number 5. It should be uMacele who is answering for uCocomelon since she was only introduced to her only and they are buddies. uMontuza is asking relevant questions to the wrong person. And then uXolile uthi Mayeni is too much, shame. uKhalin uthi yena uMayeni is taking unnecessary anger on the wrong people. Her husband failed to take her as a first wife for a reason and he keeps bringing another wife on top of her. It's like she didn't subscribe to this polygamy thing at first. She doesn't recognize other wives, even the first wife, and she hates uThobile with a passion. It's no longer nice. She is saying she is battling with being bullied at work, but she is doing it with the other wives, especially uMaKay. So boring of her. And then uXhonge uthi ubona ngewalk ukuthi uMayeni iphara. The way I love her. uPhilile uthi the problem here is the husband. He's the one obaxabanisayo cause he placed uMakhumalo on a pedestal. Emtshela izinto that the other wives don't know. That's why naye she doesn't like indaba zika number 5. It's cause he hid it from her. uMayeni is low-key saying, wakugila nawe, just like the rest of us. She is actually always pointing out that uMusa is gebengu while uMakhumalo is always defending him. This time bayafana bonke. UTego uthi one thing Mayene's therapy did not equip her with is that if something or someone no longer serves you, leave. She must actually leave the marriage and let the rest who want to stay continue. She has obviously tapped out. She's just torturing everyone else who Musa has dragged into this. Uchungwelihle uthi, fact is, most women are encouraging Umayeni to leave and continue to act the way she does, yet they are still holding on to their own difficult marriages. Yo, poor Musa, second stroke, shame. And then Unothando uthi, so Macele and Musa are cheating on the wives. Hi guys, you know what? I might have to agree with the last comment ngoba ngiyakhumbula uMseleko noMakhumalo besitshela ngeqhinga abalakha benoMasawulo bethi uMakhumalo uzogada izingane kanti useyingoduso already befihlela the other wives. I think noMacele njengoba epretendela uSamke enza izinto efihlela amanye amakhosikazi, I think indlela yakhe yokuzwisa the other wives the same pain ayizwa yena ngesikhathi bengena emva kwakhe, especially uMakhumalo, because the way angena ngayo was very shady guys ngempela. Basically nje uMasawule was helping uMusa cheat on the other wives njengoba babelokhu beqamba amanga nje. So in this case they must just be thankful ukuthi they were given a heads up years in advance ukuthi khona ozongena emva kwabo. Ibona nje babe in denial kuphela.